and you're watching
Creative Quarantine Cuisine with Alyssa,
where I hope to inspire you to get creative with whatever items you already have in stock in your kitchen while you're spending more time cooking from home. Today we're gonna make sushi. Full disclaimer, I've never actually made sushi before. This is my first time making it at home, and while this is completely non-traditional, I'm just gonna throw the idea out there that you could probably use any ingredients you have in stock and wrap it up in some seaweed and some rice into a delicious sushi roll. Both of these items are shelf stable. They'll stay in your pantry for a long time. Get creative with your fillings. Look through your fridge, see what you have in stock. I happen to have some fresh ingredients, so we can do some veggie sushi rolls with carrots, cucumbers. I've got asparagus. If you don't have fresh vegetables, maybe you could use some like jarred roasted red peppers. If you're in the mood for a spicy tuna roll, I'm gonna throw it out there. Why not put some canned tuna in your sushi? Well, we're gonna try it all together. So first I'm gonna prep these veggies, I'm gonna cook some rice, and then we're gonna wrap and roll it all together. I cooked the rice first by rinsing it thoroughly, letting it sit in water for about 30 minutes. I turned on the heat, cooked it on a low simmer, covered for about 20 minutes. Then in a separate pot, I added rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, and let that come to a simmer and cook until the sugar and salt was completely dissolved. I set that aside to let it cool, and when the rice finished cooking, I add the vinegar, sugar, and salt mixture to the rice. While the rice was cooking, I prepped all of my veggies. I made a little spicy tuna salad with some mayo and hot sauce. And now I am going to attempt to wrap homemade sushi rolls. Now, if you're at home thinking, but I don't have a sushi mat, neither do I. So we're gonna try it this way. I took a dish towel, I folded it in half, and then I lined it with plastic wrap. Now I've placed the seaweed on top. We're going to mix the sushi rice, which is now at room temperature, and then we're gonna like flatten it down a little. Okay, now I'm gonna fill it up. First, adding our carrots or whatever ingredients you have in stock. I've got asparagus and cucumber. I'm going to wet one side of the seaweed and use the towel as if it's a sushi mat to make the first roll. Pull back the plastic wrap and continue to roll the seaweed, and then use water on the other side to help seal it shut. Wow! Let's slice it open. Wow, I'm pretty impressed with this first take at homemade sushi out of pantry items and a carrot I had in the fridge randomly. Not too shabby. Ooh, let's check it out. Okay. Let's keep wrapping and rolling, Greg, you wanna try my sushi?
Yeah.
Time to try this sushi! Homemade veggie rolls. I'm really impressed with myself. This is my first time making sushi at home, and it's a lot easier than it looks. Like, if you have some time to kill these days in the kitchen, I highly recommend this activity with your quarantine partner. Oh my god! Homemade sushi rice is so delicious. I'm never ordering sushi takeout again. I'm just gonna make it. Greg? Can you see his head? Can you see? Oh, there you go. Now you're in frame. I'm so lucky to be quarantined with him.
Try which one?
I don't know. You can choose from any of the sushi.
It's really good. Really good.
Doesn't it taste the same as when we order it? Too long to respond. You're out. All right. Catch me next time at Creative Quarantine Cuisine. Thanks Thanks for watching. We're quarantined together. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna cook some stuff this week. Thanks for watching. She's the mascot of this show. Thanks for watching. Creative cook, creative quarantine cuisine. Woo! Time for the spicy tuna roll.